imagine what is going on physically. The engineer should imagine the state and flow pattern for a feed or product stream. When we are dealing with process simulation, we are trying to replicate what happens in real life. Based on that, every time that you do some kind of modification, you must imagine what happens in the field. For instance, you are dealing with a saturated stream, and based on the environment conditions, eventually you will have the condensate formation in your pipeline. So because of that, you will need to add a vessel separator. Or if you are doing a pipe sizing and you increase too much the velocity, you must imagine or you must think about the vibration that can happen in the field, for instance. And all of this imagination, all of this experience will help you to verify the results and have the better choices for your process simulation.